So now I'm going to do reflected response. So I go to reflected. Yes, I'm sure. I changed this to 300. I'll change this back to 25. I have my directional coupler. It's a 20 dB directional coupler. I found 20 dB to be pretty good. The output of the RF of the TPI-1006 goes to the output port of the coupler. The coupled port goes to the detector input, and then so the next thing to do is I've already got this on reflected, so I'm going to start my 20 dB measurement. That's my coupler right there. Let it run through once. I will store it. I will hit return loss, and you'll see that we're up at 0. And then I'm going to connect the bandpass filter. I will terminate that bandpass filter in a 50 ohm termination. So that's what we have. We have the 2.4 gigahertz bandpass filter. It's terminated in 50 ohms. And now I will just run my reflected measurement. Okay, now that's at 2.44. We're right at about minus 17 dB. So what I'm going to do is put this on a network analyzer. And here we go. I have a network analyzer here. I will connect this. And we see that it's minus 16 dB on this network analyzer, but it's very much the same as what was seen on the TPI-1006. And if I did the forward, you would see it's identical. Anyway, that's the power of the TPI-1006. It has an integrated scalar analyzer along with its RF output, and it's a powerful tool.